So there's a lot in drop shipping and e-commerce. To make money like this, like you're seeing on my screen, you need a lot of things in place. And I'm going to show you exactly what you need. One important thing you need. But let's get something out of the way. First of all, when you talk about drop shipping, yes, the product makes sense. Yes, the product is important, right? To get started, to hit the ground running, you need several products. You need the platform, you need the website, you need all of those things to get your drop shipping business off on a good start. So the product is very important. So what product are you selling? And who are you getting the product from? Then what platform are you using? All of those things are very important. But I'm going to show you something that's changed the game for me. Something that makes me make a lot of money from a product. Meaning, if I pick a product and make sure I know that product is going to be worth my time and worth my money, because you're going to be spending some money running ads and whatnot, right? So if you are looking to make money like this from dropshipping, if you're looking to make money like this on a regular basis, then this video is for you, all right? This video I'm going to break down a tool you need to make all of this happen. Now let's go. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Just catch by Pipiads. We make videos on dropshipping, how to make money online passively. So we'll be using this beautiful platform, all right? And this platform would help us to our product. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So you don't end up wasting your time going after products that will not do anything. This is a beautiful tool called Pipiads, and Pipiads is an ad spy tool, right? And this is a loaded platform. I can assure you everything you need is down here. Now let's go on and take you on spin to see how you can get products to pursue so that you don't even need to think too much about it, because that's really the thing, really. So let's say, for example, we're looking for a winning product here, right? And this, if you click on here, you see winning products. Quite easy. And how do you get Pipiads? Simply click on the link in the description and you will get access and get 20% off, right? Just use the coupon that appears on your screen, and then you get 20% off from this tool. It's a very effective tool. I'm going to show you exactly why I say so. Now you click on winning product. Let's say you're interested in getting a product, you don't know what product to sell, or what am I going to sell? This is what you do. You simply click on that winning product and you come down here. Don't worry, I'm going to break it down for you step by step. Now, if you are looking to really start making money on dropshipping, I advise you pay attention to what I'm going to show you and go forward and go into this video. And coming days and coming weeks and coming months, I'll be showing you how you can really optimize this platform. Make sure you get best out of it. It's like a tool, and every tool has a manual. So see my channel like a manual for you, to help you, walk you through everything you need to know when it comes to get starting with dropshipping. Now you see Pipiads is here. You look up here, you see there's TikTok and there's Facebook, meaning that you're looking for a winning product. Products that are doing very well in these platforms, right? We'll come on here and scroll down. When you scroll down, you see there are several products here. There's this product here, there's one here, there's another one here, several products here. The thing you need to do first of all is you come on here, right? And you click maybe the region. Where are you targeting? Let's say, for example, you're targeting the United States. You're looking for products in the United States, all right, and TikTok shops in the United States. So when you scroll down, you see there are several products here. Okay, look at the engagements. This is 58,000. This is 14,000. All right. So let's go back and pick the US. Let's pick just TikTok. All right, and click country and just click United States. Apply. So we'll do that. To scroll down, wait for it to do its thing. Then there's several products up here. Several of them here. Just scroll. This, I don't know what this is, but this has like 131,000 engagements. Or impressions, I mean. There are several products here. But that's not where we're going to stop. All right. Let's say we want to see more about them. I don't like that product. Basic. Let's do something else. Let's look this one. All right. Now, I don't know what this is, but that's just what you do. If you notice, you see like a TikTok logo here. It's taking you on TikTok, showing you ads that are running on TikTok. And there's some countries that TikTok shop is not authorized, and it's not when recording this video. Countries like Nigeria and Ghana, you cannot have a TikTok shop. But subscribe to the channel. I'm going to show you how you can get around those things. Later on. Okay. Click on shop here. Shop now. You see several things going on here. All right. There's this is the post, the TikTok post, the final link. The audience is America, United States, the country. The audience is all. Let's specify this ad May 2022. Wow. And the last times are the same. July 7th. 2005. This ad has been running for quite some time. Means that this is a good ad. I mean, a good product, because come think of it, the person would not be running ads to a product that is not doing very well, right? So you could simply click on here to go check out the product itself. I mean, this is it, all right? So it's taking you to TikTok, so you see what's really going on. Now let's come on the comment section, all right? Go on the comment section for this video and see what's going on there. So you have to log in, but I don't want to do that yet. But I can assure you, when you click on this, right, and you get a lot of inquiries, people asking questions. Oh, really? How much is it? How can I get it? Where can I get it? Just to show you that this product is doing very well. Now, if you go back Let's go back. You can do the same thing for another product. Let's say, for example, this product. Okay, you click on shop now. I'm just gonna take you the same, and show you the same thing, right? And this is it. The price for the product is this, and they have sold. See how much they've sold. They've sold about 32,000 units of this, and they started their ads like November 2024, and the ads is still running. Okay, so this just tells you that okay, something is, these guys are doing something right. Okay. Now this is how much impressions they've had: 115,000 and 82 days, and they've been running for 82 days. Okay, the like rate is 0.5, 55%. Now I want to also take a look at this. It's showing ad cost. These guys have spent how much? About this looks like about $3.94 to about $1,500. And the conversions is 13 to 158. Not a bad one. And they've sold 32,000 units of this. Now, if you click on TikTok shop here, if you don't have access, I mean, if you're a region like Nigeria and whatnot, and you cannot view TikTok shop, it's not going to open to, it's not going to show you this in the TikTok shop. Or you could check the post here. Just click on post, all right, and then it's going to show you everything you need to see. Now I'll be showing you later on, like I said, how to get a TikTok shop in another video. But if you come on here, you see it has a 36 likes and several comments up here. You find out how much pets, whatever. So this is one product that is both for the pet niche, the home and gardening niche, and a lot of things. So you see how beautiful this tool is, right? It just helps you get an idea of what's going out there, because that's one of the biggest problems we have. The biggest problem we have is trying to figure out what product to sell, what products to promote, what products to go after. That's the biggest problem we usually have as dropshippers. But then this particular website helps solve all of those things. For example, look at this product that shows 1.8 million impression. Ads has been running for 236 days, and they have about 21,000 likes. Okay, this particular product. Yeah. Now you could still do the same shop now, and then it's going to show you the same thing we'll be looking at before. I want to see how much you'll be spending for ad costs, about $4,000 to about $19,000, and how many of this sold? They sold about 68,000 units of this, and the price or the cost of that item is $42. All right. So this shows you the like rate is 1.16. So this is how you use this tool. You ask yourself, okay, so this product is selling at the moment. Why don't I just jump into it? Okay, so you could click on down here for more details. Click on for more details. You see other information. Now, if you notice, guys, I'm using a VIP account here. All right. So because I have a VIP account, I am able to use this platform to the best of its ability. And that's why I recommend you using the link in the description and get 20% off so that you can enjoy all of this research. Because dropshipping, gone with the days where you just set up a store, get a product, and you just go on. Now you have to be careful, because a lot of money will be spent. You spend money in creating your platforms, you spend money in creating looking for the product, spend money in promoting. So why not make sure that when you spend money, you're spending money the right way? Now, right, this is more data, right? This is more data on how the ads is awesome. Now, so you scroll down on this particular product. Now, look, this is the age data here. It's the same. Equipment, Android. Okay, showing the audience. Now the ad replying to them. Okay, this is the display name on the ad. The creative detail. This is it. The video that was used. Now, this is crazy. Even the sound. And it's giving you an option to download the sound. Guys, are you seeing what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't get better than this. Now the ad schedule. This is the ad schedule. So you can simply mirror this. These guys have done a lot of work making sure that you have the best when it comes to spying on people's ad. Now, spying on ads it's not a bad thing, all right? It's not something terrible. It's good because it helps you to fully optimize your dropshipping process.
A lot of people are asking what the difference is between the face tightener and the primer. So the primer,
if you want this video, you just come here,
that's going
download.
to
That's
correct
if you want this video, right? So all you need to do is just, instead of thinking too much, then normally what we do is we'll go on Google Trends, and Google Trends will start looking for, okay, so this is, let me show you, in those days before I found out of PPR, this is what we usually do. Look for a product, we'll go on Google Trends. Now, I'm not saying this is not a good route to go on, but come on, guys, this is like stressful. So go on Google Trends, and then you click on Google Trends, and then you okay, so picking let me show you the problem of using this route. All right, and then you come on here and you type in, let's say face, let's type in face cleaner. All right, I'm just going to use this for face cleaner. Okay. All right, so wait, and when it load up, I'm going to pick the US, United States, and then past, not the past day, past 30 days. All right, and now, so yes, you've seen this. You see, it shows that this is good. All right, the graph is showing very good growth for this particular, let's say niche or sub niche. But the question now is, now you know this sells, or you know this face cleaner is in demand or it's trending at the moment. But the question is, which particular product? You see why Google Trends will not do it all for you. Google Trends is just a tiny piece in the puzzle, because Google Trends will not tell you what particular product is appealing to people. But then with PP ads, you get that particular product, which is this one. All right, this is a particular product. You get it, and you know, okay, this is a product that sells. All right, that's good. Okay, you could even come in comments session here and see the engagement. You see, the comments are increasing. See all the comments, they're increasing over time. Means that this is really a product that is catching its audience. And the cool thing about this product is that, I mean, when you're using this tool, is you don't even need to think too much about the audience, because it shows you the audience, right? So when you're setting up your ads, you don't just come on here, take the same audience, all right, and run with it. If you want, or if you must, you might use the same ad, all right. But just I usually am not I'm not big on using the same video ad, all right, for many reasons. Okay, but then if you want to create a video like this, you don't have to, I mean, show your face. All you need is the product, the image of the product. I'll make a video later on for that. You know, how you can make a video, something like this, and then use that video to run your ad. So you don't have to download people's content. But hey, if you're drop shipping and this is the owner of the product, then please, by all means, just chat the owner as, or can I use your image or your video? If the person says yes, why not? Just go ahead and use it. All right. So this is a very powerful tool, guys. Like I said, in the coming days, I'll be dropping a video every single day on how to fully utilize this particular website, how to fully optimize it. All right, I'm going to show you my journey and everything, things you need to know, things to bother your head about. All right, so that you know that you have a complete guide, a complete Bible on ad spy and how you can fully optimize. Because they have a lot of things going on here, but some things you need immediately, some things you need later on. Some, you know, all of those things are things I'll be covering as we go on in this channel. So just subscribe, click on the like button, and share. Like I said, click on the first link in the description to get your free, your 20% discount on using this tool. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to, in the pricing, so you see what's, you know, what's working, and you know, so you can decide for yourself, you know, which of the packages to opt in. This card by Titas. Leave your comment in the comments if you have any question, and I'm going to jump into it and show you exactly. I'm going to answer the question either by commenting in the comments, or I'll make a video out of the comments. Thank you for watching, and cheers, and see you in the next one.